Hello, my name is Felipe Sandoval, and I'm going to explain the E sound, the E phonetic sound, and I'm going to show you how is its pronunciation. So, first of all, I'm going to explain that a vowel letter it can be represented in different vowel sounds, such as hat, hate, all, art, or any. And the same vowel sound is often represented by different vowel letters in writing, by they, wait, may, cake, stick, and rain. And this is the main representation of the sound. So the main features of the IE pronunciation is that is a high front closed vowel, and is a long vowel in terms of pronunciation. You have to pronounce it in a length different than another sounds. Um, so we can also say that the another features of pronunciations are sometimes when they are voiced, sometimes when they have the lip position is important, and the tongue position, and the vowel length, as I mentioned, and the tense, and if it's relaxed or not. Um, then I'm going to explain about the open and closed syllables. So the open syllable we have Kate, we have Pete, uh, we have a note, we have sight, and we have cute. And in order to the uh, following apart is a closed syllable, that is cat, pet, not, sit, and cut, that is a neutral sound like a. Um, Here are some examples of the E sound. So this is the phoneme representation, and this is the letters as is shown. So the E letter is pronounced like B, in this case like if, and its phonetic transcription is like bean. It's like a short E, a little E, but in a long pronunciation. So here we have the double E, is see, meet, or sleep, and we have the E with the A, which is meal, read, live, see, or team, and its phonetic transcription it could be breathe, div, and it sounds like an E. We have greet, break, and in the terms of IE or EI, we have field, believe, receive, and the example is friend. And how to teach vowel pronunciation in English. So I'm going to explain each of these 8 points in order to show you how we can learn how to pronunciate these these vowels. Um, so the first of all we have the listen and repeat. This is very important. We have to listen what were pronunciations, and we have to repeat it in order to get a good pronunciation. The second of all, we have the isolation, and the isolation is the sound that we have to take in order to improve each sound of a word. For example, the word easier. So we have the each syllable e, z, er. So we have to put every emphasis in each part of the syllable. So we isolate if each term in order to improve the pronunciation. The third part, we have the minimal pairs. The minimal pairs, as we explained in class, we have to check two words that vary in only one sound. For example, rat or rate, and also pin and pen, and bat or pat. Uh, these minimal pairs are in order to focus in one particular sound, so that is the purpose of this third point. In the fourth point, we have record and replay. We have to, with the record device, we have to record our voice, and in order to listen how we are speaking. So this could be a way to see each other if we are good speakers or not. In another point, we have to use a mirror. In this point, we have to look each other, so it's useful to see how our mouth is going on, if we're using the good movements in order to pronounce the good terms. Another point is the phonetics. The phonetics is we have to know all the symbols, and we have to know all the words how they are written in order to pronounce it well. So the phonetics is very useful also to improve the pronunciation, because we know how the words are must be spoken. Uh, Another point is to know how the vowel diagram is. So this point help us to know where the sound belongs in our mouth. So how it works, if it's a front vowel, or it's a middle, or it's back. So this could help us to locate each vowel. And the last point, it could be sing. Uh, this last point is it could be useful, because by singing you can improve the pronunciation, and you can practice at the same time. So listening by formal speakers, English speakers, it could be useful in order to repeat and to listen and know how to pronounce these kind of words. So this is it. This is the pronunciation letter vowel E, the E sound. So I hope you understood all the explanation. Thank you very much.